How can you grow your business with digital marketing year over year in a coordinated, organized manner? That's what I'd like to share with you today. Hi, everybody. Michael Guberti, digital marketing strategist and co-founder of the nonprofit Guberti Giving that helps empower youth, single moms, and veterans. And today, we are going to be discussing how you can grow your business in a coordinated, organized fashion year over year. And to illustrate this, and what is possible for you, and frankly, what I would like for you, is digital marketing done well, in the form of a case study of one of my clients, a med spa, been in business for a few years, and they wanted to continue to grow their business. The item of interest, however, was that in their own words, they weren't too clear about how to do digital marketing. They didn't have the time to do it, and to keep up with an ever-changing industry of digital marketing is something that they did not want to do and did not feel they could. So they then corresponded with a shady SEO expert nearby who, upon hearing that the spa was not going to use that individual's services, that person left the business a 1-star review, completely false, illegitimate, made up a false story, and they posted it for public viewing. As a result of that, the spa decided to contact me to really look at their entire digital marketing strategy when they realized they needed to take a different direction and establish a framework, a series of steps that could help them reach more people regularly in a planned manner. The way that this was done was through Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Google ad campaigns, as well as organic activity. So in addition to posting and using the right hashtags and getting engaging visuals, going beyond that to advanced data-driven, behavior-based targeting in the most powerful online advertising platforms available, Facebook and its family of apps, which includes Instagram because Instagram is owned by Facebook, and Google, which includes everything from the Google Display Network, 2 million plus websites, covers 90% of the internet, and YouTube as well. So when we combine those things, in addition to other important pillars like weekly emails, text marketing, and goodwill messages. So we combined, here's a special promotion with Happy Thanksgiving, Happy New Year, something that is very human-based that they would say to their patients anyway if they saw them in person. That has, after and continuing to work with this med spa for years, grown them between 10 and 30% year over year, and really instead of them being completely overwhelmed about, I got to keep up with something that changes every day, because algorithms in Facebook and Google do shift that regularly. And instead of having to be basically fall victim to people who are very prone to deceiving as con artists in many cases that they are, now their marketing is completely done for them. They know what's happening every step of the way. They're not left in the dark. We strategize on a weekly call so everybody's on the same page, and their business has grown as a result of it. So, and that is the transformation that is possible for you if you're willing to take the first step of corresponding. As far as what specifically could you do in your own business today, having learned from this case study, are some immediate action items. Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Google paid ad campaigns. Different than a post. You can launch those, you can target very specifically by location, list out the interests, and if you think about your patients, they are interested in certain things. You see them wearing certain brands of clothes that you can target, coming from certain places, just got back from the gym, just got back from the office, just got back from, you can list out those locations when you target them in these platforms. Some other items. Weekly emails. You can definitely do that. Don't fall for the idea that I'm going to annoy them if I go from monthly to weekly emails. You want to reach the people who believe in and have bought from you as many times as you can, and a great frequency for that is weekly. Because whether it's them deciding if they want to come back into the office for another treatment or looking for someone to refer to, when they say, I'm looking for a great spa. And by the way, this can be applied outside of the med spa industry, because I service clients, orthodontists, architects, a whole slew of surgeons of other industries, biomedical, functional medicine, nutritionists. And I can tell you, all can benefit from consistent marketing, not just try it for a month and then stop forever, because then you get the benefits of compound interest, really. And like in any other area of life, consistency reaps benefits that you can achieve if you do those ads on those platforms, if you send a weekly email to the people who believe in and have bought from you, if you leverage text marketing, because people engage with all of these platforms, and text is a very direct way to communicate with somebody. You use it every day, in all likelihood, as well as these others in some form or fashion. Then stories, Facebook, Instagram stories, you want to publish those. Try to do it once a day, and you're saying, man, that's a lot to do, but it's worth it. You reach people who really are, in the words of Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, people are increasingly engaging with content through stories on Instagram. Why? It's quick. It lasts only 24 hours. There's a sense of scarcity. I can only see it for a day. I'm going to check it out. Publish stories regularly. Of course, publish posts as well. So you're covering both sides of the spectrum. But stories, frankly, you can do very efficiently 6 to 7 days a week outside of the work week. I'm talking in a 7-day week, you could do between 6 and 7 stories a week. Additionally, ask your best patients for reviews. This is so important. Your patients, they are very often happy. They have glowing feedback. Why not have a little copy and paste review template ready? Just, oh, that person was really happy. They said some really nice things coming out of the treatment today when they left the office. Let's just send them a quick text or a quick email with something we've pre-written, not just let's scramble to think of what we can say. This was done in advance, and all we do, copy, paste, insert their name, send it off. Consider that. Then it's responding to reviews. How ironic you would be willing to ask, but not willing to say, thank you so much for your kind words, first name. Because then they get an email saying that this business just wrote back to you, another touch point, and it just shows everybody else who's reading your reviews that you're on top of this. You respond to these people, and it shows you're really covering every base. Additionally, your Google My Business account, talking about reviews. If you have a physical location, then you have a Google My Business account that if you search the name of your business, shows up on the right-hand side. It looks like a rectangle on the right-hand side. And I would encourage you post to that. Most people, when they think of Google, they of course think of search, and rightfully so. But did you know you can post to your Google My Business account in the same way you can post to an Instagram or Facebook account? And those that do post rise and show up, have a higher chance of showing up for searches. So make sure you post to your Google account. And you could check how many times in the last month, quarter, week, somebody has called your business, requested directions to your business, visited your website. Useful metrics to know, and then see how your online marketing is contributing to increased brand awareness, not being the best hidden secret, and growing your customers and patient base. Performing timely updates to your website. You want to make sure you have accurate information. If a staff member came and left, you don't want to have them on your About page still 5 months after they've taken another position. Additionally, services. Do you still offer all of the services on your services page? Are the prices correct? Because the last thing you need is to get into a dispute with somebody because they say, well, it says on your website that this is the price. And you say, well, yes, but the new price is this. Well, you didn't update your website. So they have some leverage there. You don't want to even be in that position. Just make sure everything is timely and correct. In addition, Facebook Messenger, I mentioned it, you can send notifications to anybody who's a Facebook Messenger subscriber of yours that shows up on the lock screen of their phone. It's very useful to do. And so long as you're in compliance with Facebook's policies for messages sent through Messenger, it can be a great way to connect with somebody as direct as sending a text. So it shows up right on the lock screen of their phone. And you could even choose whether or not it sounds that notification, whether it gets the bing sound or it goes silent. So you have many options there to leverage the subtleties of communication across device and connect with your customers and potential ones. Furthermore, and this, let me tell you, one overlooked item is whatever tool you use to send emails through, MailChimp, Constant Contact, iContact, Square, there's a slew of options. You're using one. Make sure that you have updated the patient information from your customer tool, your EMR system, wherever your patient information is. Make sure it's imported into the place you're sending emails. Otherwise, you could be sending emails, but not know that a large percentage of your customers are never going to receive them because they were never brought into your email system. Is there a day of the month? Is there a workflow that when it happens, you know every month my patient information is being brought into my email system or my text system? Otherwise, you're just not communicating, but you don't even know it if they're not synced together. So then Pinterest would be another item. Great for visuals. If you are in a visual business, get an account on Pinterest, start posting, build your monthly view count. It's worth it, and people can save your images to collections they look at later. It's a very aspirational platform. I was just speaking to a business owner the other day that says whenever they're looking to remodel their home or perform some type of project around the house, they go on Pinterest for inspiration to see what are people doing? What could I find that's similar? And how can I save that will inform a decision of mine in your relative to the business, a buying decision of yours in the future. You can only reap those benefits if you get on Pinterest and start pinning pictures. Next, contests, giveaways. These are great. You can provide an incentive with a giveaway. Here's a little item of interest for an Instagram giveaway. If you've ever seen like this post, follow us, and tag 3 friends. If you have to enter our contest to win a free gel, a free cleanser, a free treatment, a free anything, then make sure that where it says you tag 3 friends, each as a separate comment on your post. That way, if somebody enters, it's not just one comment at John, at Susan, at Michael. It's at John, 1 comment, another comment, at Susan, comment, and then at Michael, comment. You get 3 comments for the effort it took to do 1, all because of that subtlety when you say tag 3 friends, each as a separate comment on your post. And that's how you can not only grow your likes, your comments, your followers, the metrics that everybody always thinks of when it comes to social media, and rightfully so, but how you can grow your business with digital marketing year after year. So that are all the many strategies you can use that have worked for my clients and you can take to your business starting today. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. If you would like to schedule a strategy call, we could talk through your business, your digital marketing. Just go to michaelguberti.com/schedule. Hope you're having a great day and hope you have a great rest of it. I look forward to hearing about how you grow your business with digital marketing because the opportunity is there. People are spending their time and putting their trust into these platforms. Are you there to engage them, or is your competitor down the street instead? Hope you can answer that you are there, and hope that you can use these as I know they can be beneficial to grow your business. Michael Guberti, digital marketing strategist, co-founder of Guberti Giving. Happy to provide this video for you. And until I see you in the next one, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.